everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Michkiah. Today I have a recipe for you. I'll be making a sandwich, a chicken sandwich. This is something I like to make when I'm at home, something quick for lunch. So stay tuned and you'll see how I make this sandwich. Okay, so first here I have my pan. I'm going to put a few strips of bacon in it and I'm going to put it in my preheated oven to let that crisp up. And then I'm going to get started on my chicken. Okay, I'm just going to put this in the oven. Okay, so here I have 2 pieces of chicken breast that I'm going to, quickly cook on the stove for my sandwich. I'm making my oil preheat a little bit. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Once the chicken is done, the bacon crisp up in the oven, then it's pretty much assembled time. Oh, while I wait on the pot to heat, I'm going to make a quick sauce that I'm going to put on my sandwich. Oh, I've been waiting on the day to use this food processor. I've had it for forever and I've never used it, so yeah. I want to build something because I don't want people to think she fries a lot. Here I'm adding a little bit of mayo, or some mayo. I don't know if it's a little bit. I'm gonna add some honey for my honey. And some Dijon mustard. Okay, so we're gonna, let's hope my food processor works. Joey.
Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
it is asking.
No, Papa.
There is.
No, Papa.
It's the mouth.
Ha ha ha. That's finished. I'm gonna set this aside until the end.
Johnny.
Yes, Michael. Okay, so my chicken has been cooked. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assemble my sandwich. So let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm about to assemble my sandwich. I have some French bread that I got from my local supermarket here. Oh my god, it looks like a sperm. Oh my god, this is such a big sandwich. Okay, guys, there, there you have it. That was my really huge sandwich. I don't eat it alone. I intend to share. This is it. Okay, guys, there you have it. My grill. No, I lied. It's not grill. Okay, guys, there you have it. My chicken sandwich. It's really quick, easy to make, easy to assemble. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and also share my videos. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.